Note that in her example, hand shape is less important than facial expression. With facial expressions only, she could not be understood if she just put her hands down completely. But with facial expressions and the other parameters present, it was easy enough to guess a simple sentence as a fluent signer. It's similar to hearing the general sound of a word and still being able to figure it out. Vocabulary. Number 7, navigating TWA ASL. Some of these signs could be review, so hopefully you remember them, but we'll go over them again just in case. The first sign is to type, and you pretend like you're typing by wiggling your fingers on a keyboard. Typing, you can just wiggle your fingers. Most of us move our hands a little bit for that sign. The next sign is dictionary, like turning a paper with a D, dictionary, or with just a flat hand shape, dictionary. You see, this is the preferred sign variation that I use. To work, work. You're hammering on something, work. Study, your eyes are wiggling all over the paper. To study. So study a little bit. Studying a long time, more moving. You'll also see maybe in the dictionary, if you can access it, she signs this studying around, studying all sorts of things. Paper or sheet. This is like turning the pages in a big book. Maybe those like big DK kind of books, you're turning the big pages over. Paper or sheet, paper. Homework, homework, homework. I usually sign the full version. I don't tend to abbreviate my signs. It's just my style. So homework, homework, just touches once. And some people have their hand open for homework. Worksheet, they have study paper or work paper. I will always sign worksheet. To scan along a screen, to tap it when you find it, or you can scan along with your finger and tap it when you find it. You can use a mouse and then click when you find it. You can tap on your phone, your iPad, or any other handheld device. You can tap on that. Same thing with scrolling. Scroll up, scroll down. Drop down menu. Click that menu bar, and then here are all the things that drop down from it. Drop down menu, and then you can click on one of them. To download, they have a variation that says as a D to an L. I've never seen that variation here, so it could be a regional thing. This curriculum is made in Texas, so it could be a Texas regional thing or just not a Southern California version. We use this version, download, pulling it down, or to download stream. If I'm watching a movie, I could be streaming the movie. The opposite of download is upload. Upload. Same thing, upload stream. So if you're uploading your video and it's still processing your thing, it's still uploading. To film a video, film you, film me. You can directionalize that. This shows the camera, the lens, pointing in what direction. Movie, that kind of shaky light. If you kind of see somebody in another room that's watching something on a screen, you can kind of see the lights that are kind of flashing irregularly. That's what this is showing. Movie or film. Video, The old sign for to film a video, a really old sign when they were still cranking them by hand. I'm not even that old. Film a video, and then that sign to film a video became just used with the sign for, or the letter V for video. Look at, watch with one hand, look at, or watch. These are showing your eyes looking at something. And snapshots. Snapshot, snapshot. That's my preferred way that I'll start signing it. Snapshot, to take a picture. And so snapshot or snapshot, like to take a picture. And last, how do we sign TWA ASL? We can spell TWA ASL TWA, but the sign true, real, or sure, it really is all the way ASL, all the way. Gonna go the whole way, really all the way into ASL. And the next video will be snapshot number 7, navigating TWA ASL.